Hi, this is Tracy from Starpoint Counseling. We're talking about relationships. We are a relationship based species. That means that we seek out other people to live our lives with. Now, I know not everyone in the world is like that, but the majority are. So, when you consider how important relationships are to us, it's a wonder that no one actually shows us how to do it. Everything that we know about relationships is based on observation. We observe what happens in the family that we're born into. We observe our relatives. We observe other couples. We watch movies. We get ideas about what romance is and what passion is and how a relationship's supposed to work. And we get that. And so we form a belief about relationships, and a lot of it is incorrect information because we've been observing people who may not exactly be doing it to the best of their abilities either, because they're just working on what they know. And so our concept of relationship is limited by the information we have to start with. And we go out into the world and we encounter various relationships in the world and we learn from that. And then we get into our first serious relationship and we take everything we've accumulated and everything that we've learnt, and we take that information and we apply it. And for some reason it doesn't work out, and so we go, it must have been my partner. So we get into another relationship and the same thing happens, and we think, what's the chances of two bad partners in a row? And we get into another relationship and that's not working properly either, and we start to think maybe fundamentally something wrong with us, we shouldn't be in a relationship. Look, you're not broken. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't be in a relationship. It just means the information that you have at the moment is not giving you what you need to make this relationship really great, because it can be really great if you know how to do it. So don't despair, because you can learn how to have a great relationship, and you can learn how to work with the things that are holding you back from that, because a lot of patterns are formed in us over the years. So you can learn how to move past those as well, and how you can engage in a really great relationship. And that's what we do at Starpoint Counseling. If you want to know more, check out the information below this video and go to our website and have a look at what we got to offer. Because I'm telling you right now, you can have a great relationship, and you can have one even if your life is mega busy, because so many people are these days. It's an area that we really specialize in. So check us out.